What's going on, guys? Patrick here with Drone Nerds, and today I want to talk about the DJI Mavic Mini and what it's been like flying with this little tiny pocket-sized drone for the last 2 months. A lot of people get caught up in specs. A lot of people are like, well, you know, the Mavic Mini only shoots 2.7K. It's not going to fly top speed. It's not going to be able to do this. But what people don't give credit for is how 2.7K footage looks amazing. I have no problem with the 2.7K footage. I got no problem with it. For most consumers, for I would say 99% of the people out there in this price point, in this category of drone, 2.7K is gonna be plenty. The photos are great as well. Forget about the specs, let's just talk about the overall use of the Mavic Mini. The Mavic Mini is great because it's just so tiny. It really is very, very simple to put into a backpack, to put into a purse, to take it anywhere you want. Another thing that I really am impressed with is the battery life. I'm amazed at how long this thing can fly for. For being such a small battery, it's such a small drone, getting close to 30 minutes of flight time is remarkable. Now, I might just be a nerd and I think it's cool that this little tiny drone can do all things that it can do, but really, from a beginner drone consumer, kind of just overall user, this really is the ultimate drone. And for the price, for what you're getting the controller, you're getting the drone itself, you can get the combo and get even more things. This really is the best bang for your buck out of any drone on the market today. Now, I know someone's gonna comment and say, yeah, but I like the Inspire. The Inspire is way better. Let's be honest, the Inspire is a totally different beast. Even the Mavic Pro is a different beast out of this price point. For under $500, you can get a drone that shoots amazingly stable, high quality footage and shoots amazing photos as well. The DJI Fly app is also very simple, very easy to use. When you first get the Mavic Mini, you're gonna be amazed at how small it is, and then you're gonna be amazed at how easy it is to fly. I have flown it in high wind conditions, I've flown it around the world, I've basically been flying it all the time, and I've not had any issues. I've crashed it, it's held up, I've thrown it in my backpack, I've taken it to the airport, I've taken it in the car, I've taken it to the beach, taken it to the boat, and I had no problems. This is the original Mavic Mini that I originally filmed with 2 months ago. One thing you have to remember here is that there's a lot of small toy drones on the market. They're very difficult to fly. The DJI flight controller, the GPS, all the systems that are built into the Mavic Mini is going to make it very easy to fly. A lot of people are confused that when you get a drone like this, you have to control it, you have to, give it power, and you got to tell it what to do the whole time. The DJI app is very easy, and when you put this in the air, you don't have to have full control. You're not like giving it power and telling it how fast to go. You're basically like just controlling this in a very gradual, smooth way. And I just wanted to make this video after I've seen a lot of comments and I've gotten some feedback from people out there that are like, yeah, I'm not sure about the Mavic Mini. I don't think that is for me. I'm looking for something a little bit more aggressive. If you're looking for a drone at this price point, there's really nothing else on the market that compares with the Mavic Mini. If you guys want to learn more about the Mavic Mini, there's more videos on the channel, and you can also head to dronenerds.com to grab one of these bad boys right now. So head on over there to dronenerds.com, and I will talk to you guys later on.